Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. And today we are at this wonderful shop and we are going to scroll over to the 10 billion thing. And as you can see, we have 50 billion. Let's spend it all on royal jellies. So now we have all of these royal jellies and scroll down. I'm going to turn on until mythic, and yes, I'm stupid. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm actually going to transform this Riley bee. Wait, no, this Rad bee actually. So let's do it. Oh, I need this. That's good. And let's do that Riley bee. Ooh, another one. And then let's get a little risky and get rid of Tadpole. Of course, I get scammed. But luckily, I have some star jellies. So I'm going to turn this off. No. Sure, I'll take that. And yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed me getting kind of scammed. Bye.